Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're looking at something, well, pretty unique in the tech world. We're talking about our phones, specifically, an iPhone 15 case.
Right, but not just any case.
Exactly. It's this meticulously designed case that's engineered, they say, for perfection. And here's a really cool part, my Lizer. It's absolutely free. You can download it and 3D print it yourself. Okay, let's unpack this.
Yeah, our mission here isn't just to review it, We want to dig into the design thinking behind it, see why it's more than just plastic. It's sort of a masterclass in protection, yes, but also ergonomics and even style. We're looking at how it's engineered, really.
And it definitely has some innovative features you won't find elsewhere, as the source puts it. Let's kick off with the full camera protection. Now, most cases have that little raised edge, right? But this one apparently fully encloses the whole camera bump on the iPhone 15.
Yeah.
Beyond just, preventing scratches, what's the big deal there? Does it fix any of those little annoyances?
Okay. What's fascinating here is how it tackles that wobble. When you put your phone down flat?
Oh, yeah. Drives me nuts. The phone seesaw thing.
Exactly, because the cameras stick out now. So this full enclosure, yes, it gives amazing protection, better than just a lip. But critically, it makes the phone sit perfectly flat, no wobble.
Okay.
It sounds small, but for ergonomics, for actually using your phone on a desk, it's a huge win. It shows they really thought about how people use their phones day to day.
That makes total sense.
Okay.
Okay, so camera protection, stability check. What about drops? That's the big one, right?
Yeah.
Here's where it gets really interesting. The air-cushioned design. The source says it's inspired by Nike Air Jordans. How does that work on a phone case without making it, huge?
Yeah, that's a great analogy, actually. And this is where 3D printing really shows its strengths. Inside the case, there are these honeycomb-shaped cavities, tiny pockets.
Okay.
They're designed very precisely to trap air, so you get these cushioning pockets all around the phone. Think of it like an air pocket fortress internally. It dramatically improves drop protection because the impact force gets spread out through that air cushion structure. And the key is, because it's internal geometry, it doesn't add noticeable bulk to the outside. Smart stuff.
Very smart. So protected, stable.
Yeah.
What about just holding it? Day-to-day feel. It mentions a comfortable ribbed grip, this subtle texture. What's the point, practically speaking?
Well, the ribbing, usually around the sides, does a couple of things. First, obviously, it makes it grippier, less likely to slip out of your hand, feels more secure, more comfortable.
Right.
But there's another neat benefit, that distinct texture. It makes it way easier to find your phone just by touch. Like if it's in a dark bag or pocket. No more fishing around blindly.
Huh, I need that.
Yeah. And naturally, everything lines up perfectly. Buttons, ports, speakers, flawless usability is still key. It's all thought through.
Okay, this is already impressive for a free design. But then there's more. It's not just one case. The designer offers 4 distinct versions. You've got classic protection, then one that's lanyard friendly, one pop socket ready, and even an ultimate combo.
Yeah.
That level of choice is pretty amazing for something you print yourself.
It absolutely is, and it speaks volumes, I think, about moving away from just mass production. It's about customization, about what you actually need.
Oh, break them down quickly.
Sure. Classic is your standard solid protection, straightforward. The lanyard-friendly version has these sturdy built-in loops, great if you need your phone hands-free, maybe for work or hiking.
Makes sense.
Then pop socket ready. This one has a special recessed circle on the back, so your pop socket sits flush, integrated, not just stuck on top awkwardly.
Ah, nice touch.
Yeah. And the ultimate combo. That just puts it all together. You get the lanyard loops and the pop socket recess. Maximum versatility. It's really empowering you, the user, to pick exactly what fits your life. That's the beauty of this open source approach.
So what does this all mean for you listening? Well, you're basically looking at a top-tier phone case, engineered protection, great ergonomics, customizable style for the cost of the 3D printing phone. It's kind of incredible value. It really changes the game for phone accessories.
And this raises an important question, doesn't it? Beyond just this phone case, what does this kind of design philosophy tell us? Think about the power of open source, of community designs, of making high quality, really personalized tech accessible to everyone. It shows what's possible when innovation is shared, Makes you wonder what else could be designed this way.